So, good morning, sir. I am Christian Joseph C. Palma, your BSMT third year, section Canopus. So, the title of this topic is the IMO Performance Standard for ICTIS Operational and Functional Requirements, the colors and symbols, and display and requirement. So, in colors and symbols, 9.1 IHO recommended colors and symbols should be used to represent system database information. The colors 9.2 The colors and symbols other than those mentioned 9.1 should comply with the applicable requirements contained in the IMO standards for navigational symbols. In 9.3, this should allow the mariner to select whether own ship is displayed in true scale or as a symbol. So this table contains the requirements of the color black, gray, white, blue, magenta, green, blue-green, yellow, brown, orange, and red. So this is the requirements of the IMO standards. And the display requirements. This should be capable of displaying information for route planning and supplementary navigational tasks. And two is the route monitoring. Then the 10.2 the effective size of the chart presentation for route monitoring should be at least 270 millimeter times by 270 millimeter. And the 10.3 the display should be capable of meeting the color and resolution recommendation of IHO. And the 10.4 the method of presentation should ensure that the display information is clearly visible to more than one observer in the conditions of light normally experienced on the bridge of the ship by day and by night. And then last is the if information categories should include in the standard display, see Appendix 2, are removed to customize the display. Should This should be permanently indicated identification of categories which are removed from the standard display should be shown on demand. So that's it, sir, and thank you, sir.